she laughed in a very happy way, or she laughed in a delighted way. Which one of these phrases is more interesting? Well, these both are nice compliments, but the second one, she laughed in a delighted way, is much more creative and advanced. Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Today we are going to learn how to improve your vocabulary with intensifiers. Now you might be wondering, what are intensifiers? An intensifier is that little word like so, really, or very that makes the adjective more intense, more dramatic, and it gives it more emphasis. For example, this is so interesting. This is really interesting. This is very interesting. But these are the basic intensifiers. These can be used so easily and more often. Our today's video is all about avoiding the overuse of these common intensifiers. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Our first word is very angry, and we all know that it's quite common. So, instead of using very angry, you can use atrocious. Repeat after me, atrocious, which means very angry. Next is very clean, which can be replaced by spotless. For example, your house is very clean, or your house is spotless. Instead of saying smart, say brilliant. For example, Nancy is very smart, or Nancy is brilliant. Here you can find out the difference easily. Avoiding the use of very from the sentence makes it more innovative, isn't it? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section. Next is very angry. Instead of saying very angry, you can say furious. Repeat after me, furious, which means very angry. Avoid saying dirty. Say squalid. Repeat after me, squalid. It's a quite new word. Some of you might be hearing it for the first time. Use it in the place of very dirty, as it is more attractive and creative too. Now admit it, we all use very hungry all of the time. But today you have got the replacement. Instead of saying very hungry, say famished. Use it in your day-to-day life and feel more innovative and confident. Whenever someone does any appreciable work, what do you say to him? Very good. But from now onwards, you can appreciate him or her by saying superb, awesome, excellent, or outstanding. There is always someone in our friend list or family who acts very slow or does everything in very slow manner. In these kind of situation, you can use creeping instead of saying very slow. Next is very loud. Instead of saying very loud, you can say adorned. For example, I couldn't sleep last night because of the loud music. Or you can say, I couldn't sleep last night because of the adorned music. Which one of these two do you feel more interesting? Decision is all yours. Praising the food is an excellent habit, and we all should do that. So from now onwards, whenever your mom will make food for you, do not forget to compliment her by saying the food is delicious. You can use delicious instead of very tasty. So these were some common replacement of the word very, and I believe that you all will surely use them. Now I'm giving you a list of some other intensifiers that you can use to make your speaking more attractive and creative. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this innovative idea of the very rule. If you enjoyed, then please like, share and subscribe. On that note, bye-bye, take care, keep learning and stay safe.